Children, today we will learn the E sound, and that is long E sound. There are two kinds of vowel sounds. One is short vowel sound, and E sound like A means the short E sounds like A, and long vowel sounds means that long E gives the same alphabetical sound like E. Okay, only E. So short E sound is A and long E sound is E. So let's learn some words and their phonic sounds with long E sound. The first one is clean. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. The phonic sounds are C-L together, cl, cl. Then E-N together, E. And the last one, N sound is like N. So, clean. C-L together, cl. E-A together, E. And N sounds like N. So, clean. Number 2, ear. E-A-R. Ear. So, E-A together makes the sounds E. And R sounds like R. R. So, ear. Okay. Number 3, eat. E-A-T. Eat. E-A together gives the sounds like E. E. Okay. And T makes the sounds like T. So, it. It. Number 4, it is eager. Eager. E-A-G-L-E. Eager. So, E-A together makes the sounds like E. G sounds like G. L sounds like Oo. And here last one, the E, it should be silent. Okay, means no sound is coming. That's why it's eager. E-A together, E. G likes G and L sounds like L. So, eager. Okay. Next, number 5. He. He. H-E. He. H sounds like and E sounds here only E. Okay. So, he. Next, here. H-E-A-R. H sounds like H. E-A together, E. And R sounds like R. Here. Okay. Then, leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. L sounds like O. E-A together, E. And next, F sounds like F. So, leaf. Okay. Leaf. Next you see me. M-E. Me. M sounds like and E sounds like here long E sound E. So, me. Then, mill. M-E-A-L. Mill. M sounds like E-A together makes the sounds E and L sounds like Oo. So, mill. Next, C. S-E-A. C. S sounds like S. Then, E-A together E sound. So, C. Okay. Next, sit. S-E-A-T. sit. S sounds like S. E-A together, E, and T sounds like T. So, seat. Then, she. S-H-E. She. S sounds like S. H sounds like H. And E sounds like E. So, she. Next, T. T-E-A. T. T sounds like T. E-A together makes the sounds E. So, T. Then, tear. T-E-A-R. Tear. T sounds like T. E-A together makes the sounds E, and R sounds like R. So, tear. And the last one is week. W-E-A-K. Week. W sounds like W. E-A together makes the sounds E, and the last letter is K. K gives the sounds like K. So, week. Okay. So, here you remember that E sound means long E sound gives the same alphabetical sound like E, and E-A together gives the sounds like E. Means when two vowels are sitting together, then only one phonic sound is coming. Okay. Here E-A together makes the sounds E. So now let's practice it.